Hello guys, another simplification BODMAS problem. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5, and here 4 into 4 is equal to 16 plus 4 and whole divided by 4. 5 into 4 into 16 is equal to 20 divided by 4. Then 20 by 4 is equal to 5, and 5 into 5 is equal to 25. But it is totally wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS or BODMAS rule. According to the PEMDAS rule, first in this equation, first we have to do the parentheses and then division and then multiplication. So we have to do first 4 into 4 is equal to 16, and 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. Then 20 by 4, and 20 by 4 is equal to 5. Then we can write 5 into 5, and then 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5 into 5. Then 5 into 5 is equal to 25. It is the right answer and right process.